Hi everyone, so today I will be showing you how to know where to put your images on stuff like cutting boards or pre-existing items. So I have a cutting board that I want to engrave a lavender bunch on, so I went ahead and measured the inside of my cutting board. So this is my cutting board's width and height. So this layer I'm going to just normally draw in. You can just use the square and just draw it in and just put in your width and your height of your cutting board or your image. This can be done for circles as well. If you have like a keychain, you can go and you put in your width and the height of the round keychain, and then you will know where the boundary is for your engraving. So I'm just going to delete the circle, as we will be using this cutting board outline. So for the cutting board outline, I'm just going to select it, go to my tool layer. So that will be the last two of all of your two layer colors, either the blue or the orange. This will only be a framing layer, as this cannot be customized into speed or power settings. So now I'm going to pull in or import my lavender bunch. I'm going to say open, click on it, right click and say trace image. I'm going to zoom into the bunch that I'm going to use and just select and drag the square around it. Just make it a little bit smaller so I can cut the other piece off. Then I'm going to say fade image. If I'm happy with the way it looks, I can just press OK, or you can play around with your threshold until you get your desired tracing. So I'm just going to say delete image of the trace and then OK. So this lavender bunch will be for engraving. So I'm going to select it, drag it where I want it, and then I will put an engraving layer on my lavender bunch, as this is also now a two layer. So my engraving layer is the red one for the full mode, 6000 power, 6000 speed and 80% power. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Just drag it where I want it. Now I'm going to select both layers and go to under help. There's a preview, the laptop screen, press on that. And that is more or less how my lavender bunch will engrave. I'm going to click on OK. When I'm done, I will just be pressing frame, and when the framing is done for the width and the height of my cutting board, I will just press start and the machine will start to engrave.